Hi, today I'm going to have an interview section with Dr. Sridhar, who is a frontliner fight against COVID-19 pandemic. A continuous occurrence of an unknown respiratory infection was reported in Wuhan city since 12 December 2019, originating from the Wuhan city seafood market in China. On the 7th January 2020, Chinese scientists isolate the unknown viral sample from an affected person, and the sequence is genetic using the next gene sequencing tool. They reported that the virus had 96.3% genetic similarity with the Wuhan bat coronavirus and 70% homologic with respiratory syndrome coronavirus. I feel sad when think about the pathway that we as a Malaysian going through during pandemic, because it feel like being trapped sometimes. Then when we go out of the house, it feel like we are free like a bird out of the cage for the first time. There are some new norms carried out during this pandemic. In Malaysia, the Movement Control Order MCO as implemented on the 18th March and was in place until 28 April to control the spread of COVID-19 nationwide. The government imposed some restriction, which is people were required to undergo health screening for the detection of COVID-19 and self-isolate after returning from overseas. Kindergarten, government and private school, including daily school, boarding school, international school, other primary school and secondary school, include pre-university, were all closed. Public and higher education institute and skill training institute nationwide were closed, and all the students study via online platform. Hi Dr. Sridhar, how are you? I hope you are doing well. As we talk about the COVID-19 cases, can you tell me that what are the causes of COVID-19?
That was a nice question. COVID 19 is caused by the SARS-CoV-2 virus, which spreads between people mainly when an infected person in close contact with another person. The virus can spread from another infected person's mouth or nose in a small liquid particles when they cough, sneeze, speak, sing, or breathe heavily. Other people can catch COVID-19 when the virus get into their mouth, nose or eyes, which is more likely to happen when people are direct or close contact less than 1 minute or 1 meter with an infected person. Current evidence suggests the main way the virus spread is by respiratory droplets among people who are in close contact with each other. The virus can also spread after infected persons, people sneeze, cough or touch surface or object such as table, doorknobs or handles, or other people may become infected by touching these concomitant surface than touching their eyes, nose, mouth without having cleaned their hands first.
Thank you for the great explanation, Dr. Sridhar. And can I know what are the effects of COVID-19?
Effect is via healthcare. Challenges in diagnosis, quarantine, and treatment of suspected or confirmed cases. High burden of the functioning of the exacting medical system. Patients with other disease and health problems are getting neglected. And the second is via economic. Slowing of the manufacturing and essential goods. Disrupt the supply and chain of product. Losing in national and international business. The third is via social. Service sector is not being able to provide their proper service, cancellation and postponement of large scale of tournament and sports. avoiding the international national traveling and cancellation of services.
As we all know that if there is a problem, there is a solution. So, can I know what are the solution or recommendation way to overcome this issue?
The solution of not being affected by COVID-19. Wash hands frequently with soap and water or an alcohol-based hand sanitizer. Wear a face mask and gloves. Maintain physical distance of 1 meter. Avoid mass gathering. Cover mouth and nose with tissue or with flexed elbow when coughing or sneezing. Avoid touches, eyes, nose and mouth. Avoid handshaking. Avoid traveling to the COVID-19 areas and countries. Self-isolate at home if 14 days for 14 days if returned from overseas.
This COVID-19 pandemic outbreak continues to have a strong impact on the economy, trade, tourism industries. It also affected sport activity such as 2020 Sukma Games and Squash Asian Team Championship, and 2020 Summer Olympic has been postponed until 2021. To date, there is no specific treatment for COVID-19 worldwide. Many clinical trials are being carried out to find medical and vaccination for the COVID-19. At the same time, the experience gained from the global efforts in dealing with COVID-19 should prepare country globally to be proper for the disease control for the novel disease outbreak, epidemic and pandemic of the future.